Disclaimer, just go ahead and throw your blow dryers in the trash because I will probably never use heat ever again for any of my blowouts because this technique is that easy. What's up guys, it's your girl Chocolate Curls, also known as Amari Lisa on my socials, Instagram and Twitter. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a heatless blowout. I'm going to be blowing my hair out or getting the blowout look without using any heat on my hair. And in order for me to complete this look today, I will be partnering with Donata Skin Food using their Ultimate Haitian Hair Set. This set includes the Herbal Hair Mist, which is infused with rose water, Himalayan salt, and essential oils. This product is great for an everyday refresher, and it's going to be the first step in my no heat blowout. Next up in this set is the Haitian Hair Butter. This is one of my personal favorites. It is great to use on your scalp and on your hair. It is very, very moisturizing and gives your hair great shine. As you can see, I'm almost done with my original container. And last but not least, this set also includes the Haitian Hair Oil, which can be used as a pre-poo, as a hot oil treatment, or as a sealant like I will be using it in this video. Each of these products are handmade, vegan, and made with all natural ingredients. This set alone has worked miracles for many of her customers. So if that's what you're looking for, these are the products for you. These products are amazing and I will let them go ahead and speak for themselves in this tutorial. So go ahead and stay tuned. And of course, I'm going to be starting on some freshly washed hair. I don't want my hair to be too wet for this hair tutorial because it'll take longer to dry. So I'm just going to use a cotton t-shirt and kind of dry my hair off some. Next, I'm going to take a section within my 4 sections of hair and saturate that with some of the Herbal Hair Mist and make sure I rub that in very thoroughly before I apply my Haitian Hair Butter. A little bit of this product goes a very long way, so I'm going to just be taking a little scoop with the back of my finger and then rubbing that into my palm. And as you can see, it really just melts onto my hand, and it does the same for my hair. It melts right onto my hair and kind of locks in all of that mist I just sprayed in from the Herbal Hair Mist. And lastly, I'm going to just put a few drops of my oil into my palm and then rub that into my hair as a sealant. A very crucial step in getting this no heat blowout stretch look is to make sure your hair is fully detangled. I'm going to be using my Ultimate Flexible Detangling brush from Don't Touch My Curls and making sure I have no knots and no tangles in my hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a nice tight plait in my hair. The tighter the plait you do, the better your blowout will look because your hair will be more stretched. So it may take a little bit more time, but it's definitely worth it, so go for it. You're also going to want to plait as far down as possible or all the way to the ends of your hair because this is going to help avoid leaving out any hair that will kind of curl up or shrink, because the point of this look is to have a stretched look. So just go ahead and plait as far down as you possibly can. I'm going to be following the same steps or routine within the rest of my hair. No matter what products you use for this look, you're going to want to make sure your hair is as detangled as possible. I detangle in the shower while washing, and then I follow up with my detangling brush before plaiting my hair down. And in the end, this will all make sense and it will all come together why you have to detangle your hair fully. Even if I got towards the ends and I felt like my hair was kind of shrinking up and getting all knotty, you see me going back in and making sure I detangle my hair because it's that important. I specifically chose to use my Donata Skin Food products for this look because do you see this shine, baby? These products, like, no joke, these products are my go-to products when it comes to me doing a protective style in my hair, like mini twists, mini plaits, anything like that. If you've watched my mini twist tutorial, which I will link down below, then you already know that these are my go-to products for styles like this. So it was only right. With these products, my hair normally stays moisturized for days. The only thing I would have to do for maintenance wise is maybe just spray some herbal hair mist on my hair before going on about my day, which you should do with just about any style. But other than that, I could always count on her products to keep my hair thoroughly moisturized. I'm going to do about, I want to say I did about 9 plaits on each half of my head, so I had about a total of 18 plaits in my head when I was done. The more plaits you would do, the better, so I would say do about 10 to 18 or more plaits in your head. After moisturizing your hair, detangling it, and then plaiting it, the next step is going to be allowing your hair to fully dry. I'm spraying some herbal hair mist on my hair because it just feels really great on my scalp. But the next step is going to be letting your hair air dry because we're not doing any heat. So don't blow dry it, don't sit under a dryer. We're doing a no heat blowout, okay? After about a full 24 hours, I went ahead and started taking out my plaits. While taking out my plaits, I use a little bit of the oil to eliminate any unnecessary frizz and just add another extra layer of moisture to my hair. If I wanted to do a braid out with these products, I could have, as you can see, but that's not the look I'm going for. I'm going to go in with my ultimate flexible detangling brush once again, and then take my time and comb or brush out this plait. This right here is why it's so important to do a tight plait and why it's important to do a detangling process before plaiting your hair, because this makes this step 10 times easier. Again, I'm going to take some of this liquid gold and then smooth it onto my plait, and also make sure I have enough on my fingertips so that this unraveling process is smooth and frizz free. Personally, I'm a finger detangler, so before I use any comb or styling tool, I like to run my hands through my hair. So after unraveling my plait, I like to run my fingers through it and kind of loosen up and separate my hair, and then I can go in with my brush and brush it out. There is no specific way to take out your plaits because you're not doing a braid out, you're doing a blowout, so you're going to end up combing this out anyway, so you don't have to be extra careful in the takedown process because definition is not the look that you're going for. But I do now see that I could potentially also use these products for a braid out because I'm getting really good definition and really good shine. I normally just use these products for my protective styles and to nourish my hair before doing any styles on my hair. But if you guys do want a tutorial of like a twist out or a braid out or something like that, let me know because I can definitely do that with these products. To keep my hair stretched out and avoid it from shrinking back up, I went ahead and put some clips on my hair. Another tip is to make sure that your hair is fully dry before unraveling these plaits, because your hair will definitely shrink up and you will not have that blowout look. So just as with a twist out or a regular braid out, you want your hair to be 100% completely dry. I also love how soft that these products get my hair, so my brush kind of glides through my hair like butter, and my fingers also glide through my hair so nice and easily. After combing out my braids, this is what my hair looks like. You cannot tell me that this does not look like I sat and blow dried my hair. This is a blowout with no heat, ladies and gentlemen. I strongly advise you trying this technique and letting me know how it goes. It was super easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye guys.